Hello and welcome to a new Write tutorial. In this video we are going to look into the What You See is What You Get editor, how it works, the architecture behind it and the implementation. This feature is best used for bigger or formatted text areas. In my table I have enabled What You See is What You Get for the column Comments. The one next to it, Plain Text Comment, is a simple text area, so we can see the difference between the two. I am copying a formatted text from Word into this row. We can already see that the comment column cuts the text to not disrupt the table design. Hovering over shows us a preview. If we work with Write form, we can make more space available for the What You See is What You Get input field. We have a lot of options to edit the text. We can add a website link, use bullet points, and even emojis. The difference between What You See is What You Get and plain text areas is not just a table view. If I switch into the edit mode and copy this table to turn it into a native click table, the content of the comment column is destroyed. What You See is What You Get works with HTML styling, which does not work with click. For that reason, What You See is What You Get is always saved in two ways. Viewing the raw data from the database, we can see that comment is saved as comment plain and comment styled. The styled version can be compiled with Write, so you view HTML styling properly. The plain version is to view with click. To implement this feature, I am starting with a new sheet and add a What You See is What You Get column with a placeholder name. With the field type set to text, we can now select What You See is What You Get editor as edit mode. I am now switching to the Write Management console to create a new endpoint named Customer Comment. This endpoint needs at least two fields, the primary key, in my example, customer of type string, and comment of type style text. After saving, copy the click sense load script. Paste it in the data editor at the end but before exit script. Here in this script you can again see the two comment tables, comment plain and comment styled. Execute the script. Back to the Write Plan app, I just need to connect to the new Customer Comment endpoint and adjust the primary key by including the technical field name for the customer dimension. The empty field can now be renamed to comment.